This sneakers has a lot of hidden features. Tama ba? Features? Air Jordan 3 Alma Manier is one of the most luxurious sneaker pair na na-release ni Jordan brand this year. So, makikita nyo pa lang sa box. Guys, hindi siya mga ordinary na Jordan box noon or Jordan 3 na natataas or nabubuksan yung top lid. So, etong Jordan 3 Alma Manier is nabubuksan siya in two ways, and then meron pa siyang, kung makikita nyo dito, na-open pa siya ng top lid niya, which is a very luxurious lang. And isa sa mga nagustuhan ko is yung boxing pa lang niya, guys, is sobrang mapapawaw ka na talaga. So makikita nyo dito sa may top lid, meron siyang features ng monogram ng Alma Manier logo. It also came with the burgundy cloth. So yan, pag bubuksan naman natin yung pair, makikita nyo na kaagad dito is yung sobrang sick na details. So makikita nyo dito pa lang sa front toe box, gumamit sila ng leather. At the same goes dito naman sa tongue, which is a co-branded. Makikita nyo sa right pair is the Jordan logo brand, and on the left pair is the Alma Manier logo brand. And on the tongue, gumamit sila ng no-buck leather, which is, makikita nyo, another great feature na naman na sinama ng Jordan brand. And on the inside, makikita nyo yung quilted na material na ginamit. So siguro start na tayo kagad. Doon sa mga extra features niya is, the usual na nakikita nyo is meron silang nakikitang Nike Air na tag, and also came with the dito para siyang may paper ng Alma Manier, quality goods handled with care, inspired by street culture, fashion, and the greatest athlete in the history. Of course, alam nyo na, the one and only Michael Jordan. And also, makikita nyo may pirma si Michael Jordan dito in a silver font. And on the back tab naman, guys, binalik nila yung classic na logo ng Nike Air. And also dito sa may mid part, makikita nyo yung hairy na suede material. And isa pa napansin ko dito is gumamit sila ng flat leather black dito sa may bandang midsole. And then dun sa side panel part naman niya is gumamit sila ng dyed na off-white dito naman. And siguro yung inaabangan natin na hidden features is, guys, sa bandang insole neto is may kita nyo yung Alma Manier all over printed na monogram, which is sobrang nagulat ako with the price of medyo mataas yung SRP niya than the regular Jordan 3s. And also inside the tongue, guys, may kita nyo dito yung Alma Manier na monogram all over. So isa pa sa mga hidden features niya, guys, is pagkaalis nyo ng insole is may kita nyo doon sa loob may text na nakalagay, which is while you were sleeping. So guys, sobrang nagulat kami doon kasi usually they really don't do that thing when it comes to the sneaker designing. And next is dito sa may bandang heel tab niya, guys, sa may taas ng Nike Air logo, is pwede nyo siyang i-pull pababa, and then makikita nyo merong script na nakalagay dito. Ayan, hindi ko naman makikita nyo, pero yan, do something about it. So yan, it same goes with the right pair, guys. So isa yon sa mga hidden features nila na what makes it very worth it to buy this or Air Jordan 3 Alma Manier brand. So yeah, for me, this is a 10 out of 10 pair, and if you're a collector, this is a must cup for you guys. And by the way, this is a women's size extended, I think 3.5 to 13.5 women's. So if you're a size 10 men's, you should get size 11.5 dahil siya ay less 1.5 than the women's sizing. So yeah, let me know down the comments kung is this a cup or drop for you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe again. Kita-kits tayo on the next vlog. Peace out.